Hey there, is your iPhone showing no cellular bars? That can be super frustrating, but don't worry, you're not alone. There are a few common reasons this happens, like network settings, software glitches, or even issues with the SIM card. Luckily, we've got you covered. In this guide, we'll walk through some simple and effective fixes to help you get back your signal. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Turn airplane mode on and off. This is a quick fix that can sometimes do the trick. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. At the top, you'll see Airplane Mode. Turn it on and wait a few seconds. Then turn it back off. After that, check to see if your cellular bars reappear. Solution 2. Check Cellular Settings. It's important to make sure your cellular settings are in order. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on Cellular. Scroll down a bit and tap on Network Selection. Toggle it off and wait for a moment. After that, toggle it back on and see if the connection is restored. Solution 3. Reset network settings. If nothing else works, you can reset your network settings, which will help fix any misconfigurations. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General. Then scroll again and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, followed by Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings and confirm your choice. Keep in mind, this will erase any saved Wi-Fi passwords. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix the issue of missing cellular bars on your iPhone. Hopefully, one of these solutions worked for you. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.